Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping, and today Finn's going to give me a hand to make a little campfire. The ground's quite damp, so I've put a couple of sticks down to act as a bit of a raft, and they'll also help with the airflow. And then I've just snapped some little twigs into some kindling, and we can have a little fire.
Can you help me?
Can you help you? Okay. Go like this. You go really, really quick, and you've got to pull this hand back whilst I hold this one steady, okay? Just pull that hand back really fast. Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. There you go. That's big, wasn't it?
Wow!
Yeah, wow.
Why did you put that? Ah.
Is that cool?
Yeah. Ha.
So.
I know. I want to help you.
You want to help me? Okay. Right, Finn, what 3 things do you need for fire?
Oxygen.
Yeah. 1, oxygen. Number 2,
It's fuel.
fuel. That's good, yeah. And what's the 3rd thing you need to make the triangle? You've got oxygen, fuel, and what?
Heat.
Heat, yes! Give me a high five. No, with your hand. Yeah, good job.
Warming my feet up.
It's warming your wellies, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, good boy. We're going to head back soon, yeah?
Oh no, I don't want to leave on that fire.
You don't want to leave the fire? Well, we'll wait for it to die down a bit. And then we'll put some water on it at the end then as well, okay?
Yeah.
Because you can't leave a fire going, it's dangerous, isn't it? Don't do that, do we? No, good boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a bit of a cold?
A little cold.
A little cold.
Yeah.
What happened to that? It's got all black. Black and white.
Black and white. Black and white? What's black and white?
I don't know. Oh, what's your favourite joke?
What wobbles in the sky?
What wobbles in the sky? I don't know. What wobbles in the sky?
A jellycopter.
A jellycopter? That's silly.